I'll show you how you can delete your Homescapes account. On your Homescapes account, you just want to go ahead and go to the top right here on settings. On settings, you will see that this will be your settings here. On settings, you can see there's a button to delete the account right there. Tap on that. On here, you can see if you are requesting to delete your account, if you tap continue, all your account data will be deleted, including your purchases, game progress, and also account. And the deletion process takes up to 30 days. And after that, you won't be able to restore any of your account data. If you return to the game before the 15 days and over, you'll be able to cancel your deletion, restore your game progress, and keep playing. So if you have bought anything, if you are very foreign to the game, do consider this before deleting your account. If you want to tap on continue, and then it'll ask if you are sure. And then on here, just tap on delete. And then your account deletion request has been submitted. And now the game will close. And then that's it. Now you have deleted your Homescapes